Very helpful. When we say enterprise, may mga different things kasi or requirements na pwede nating i-adapt dito. So tulad nga na sinabi kanina ni Sir Engineer or Mr. Contractor, every requirements required or they have with different types of solutions. So enterprise from the DJI will be very useful in terms of new technology, lalo na yung mga no return visit sites natin. May mga pagkakataon na talagang in terms of AEC nga na nagkakaroon tayo ng malaking budget na nasasayang. So in terms of DJI, you can eliminate the return visit sites or will be avoid yung mga pagkakamali. So as per Mr. Contractor, we will provide different types of auditing regarding the real-time monitoring provided by DJI.
Our thoughts on the enterprises drones is that they actually help speed up the process, and it also reduces a lot of safety issues that arise when you use conventional or old ways on how to do the things that you have to do in the AEC industry.
Yes, sir. It will be our consideration and it will be our vision in our company to help us aid the new technology compared to the manual.
Agree na ako dyan, lalo na yung Zemuse L1 and Zemuse P1. One of the factor kasi yung Zemuse P1 natin, they have a larger CMOS. Kung familiar kayo sa CMOS, CMOS is a very high demand, or these types of specifications is very helpful, lalo na pag mataas ang CMOS mo, maganda yung high resolutions. In terms of checking the areas, providing the high resolutions, Zemuse P1 is one of the best to produce the real-time monitoring of your AEC.
Interesting yung workshop natin kasi besides physically nakita namin yung mga enterprise drone, nakikita namin kung ano yung gamit ng mga payload na yun, iba't ibang gamit. So hindi lang photography and videography yung gamit.
Siguro hopefully masundan pa to. So I hope next magkaroon pa tayo ng next forum like na for example agriculture, lalo na yung agriculture ngayon. And defense, siguro mas maganda na magkaroon tayo na ma-invite natin like yung mga disaster risk management, the RMO.
The workshop has enabled us to understand the application these drones are capable of and the future implications of these drones on the AEC field. It also encompasses the ways on how to get licenses and why rules and regulations and the laws here in the Philippines should be observed. It also encompasses on the efficiency that these drones can offer and make the processes faster. It really showed how accessible drones can be, especially sa application ng AEC industry. And the fact that as students, engineering students, na kakasali sa mga ganitong workshop proves DJI's envision and catering to their audience in the engineering.